Hey everybody, this is John with Fabric Cafe, and I'm here in our order filling area. As you can see, we've got lots of kits on the wall and everything, but I'm hearing a lot of commotion coming from the other rooms. So let's go see what Donna and Hannah are up to. So of course, we have socks. She lays everywhere on the floor. So let's go in here and see what they're up to, because I'm hearing lots of commotion going on. So there's Donna now. Oh, look, she's carrying some fabric. So Donna, what are you working on?
We are getting ready for 6 hours of live video for all of our wonderful quilt fans. And we are going to be showing almost 80 different quilt kits, and many of them are brand new, like this one right here. Look at this gorgeous batik that we're putting together here. And then we've got this one right here. And some of you may remember seeing something similar to this. We had this fabric. It sold so fast we couldn't even keep up with it. So we got some more. And of course we have our stars of the current situation, the nurse fabric. We were able to get some of that great Lorelei fabric. So what we're doing is we're putting all of these kits together and getting ready, and all of it is being directed by none other than Hannah. In this case, I'm like her assistant. She's kind of helping me.
Well, let's go see what Hannah's up to over here. So Hannah, what are you working on?
So right now, I'm going through and making sure that we have kits for every quilt that we're going to be showing this weekend. So I've got my handy dandy clipboard and my list, and I'm going through. I have a very fancy filing system for all of the books. Some of the books, we're covering all 9, so it's a lot of quilts. And some of them have themes, which we think you will like, and some of them are just free reign, get a little bit of everything.
Well, this is looking really exciting. I mean, all of these kits and the fabrics and everything there, and all of that. By the way, this is our warehouse where we store a lot of our fabric. Oh, sounds like Donna's got something else over here. Let's go see what she has.
I think you should come in here so they can see that we have even more in here. Not just this room, but we have more in here going on. So if you look over here, we've got some great Tonka trucks. Look at that. And we have some beautiful batiks that we're working with. So we are having so much fun. And like Hannah said, we're covering all 9 of our books. Each book has 8 different patterns. We'll be showing you kits for most of those. And then we also are interspersing with demos. So we're going to be showing you some really cool tips and tricks on doing binding and doing chenille by the inch. So be sure to sign up for the Great Wisconsin Quilt Show. And it's free to participate. And we start on the 10th at 10 o'clock Central Time.